Hello everybody, welcome back to Simple Study for Brian. Today we'll be going over exponents and the multiplication of monomials. First off, just letting you guys know, like my other math videos so far, I will not be filming this with me writing. Because to be honest, my writing is trash. Well, again, like I just said, we'll be going over the multiplication of monomials. So the first step you want to do is multiply the coefficients, which in this problem is the 9 and the 2. You multiply those together and you'll get 18. Next you have to simply add the exponents. You'll just 2 plus 6, which is 8. And then you'll have the x there as well, which will attach to the 18 for final answer of 18x, 8. Sometimes you'll be using more than one variable, such in this problem we'll be adding y. So now all you have to do is just, again, first multiply the coefficients. 10 times 5 is 50. And then multiply the y's, and then multiply the y's with the y's, and x's with the x's. But do not forget to add the exponents. So as you see the arrows here, you multiply x times x to the third times x to the fourth, which equally gives you x7, and y to the fourth and y to the second, which gives you y6. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for you guys who are staying with me. I know it's been a while since I uploaded. I believe it's been like 3 months, I think. Oh, thank God, it's only been 2. Okay. Well, anyways, thank you guys for sticking with me.